Hello everyone and welcome to Kocoon. Today I want to show you how I make Antitan Facepack, which not only reduces the effects of suntan but also evens out your skin tone. First, I make a Mittj base with Multani Mittj and French green clay. Both these clays form a perfect base for detoxifying the skin and reducing the blemishes. Rose petals are rich in vitamin C, which forms a sunscreen and gives a smooth feeling. And now the star ingredients. Tomato is well known for repairing cellular damage caused by sun. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and it is must in all skincare routines. Curd helps in removing dead skin cells and promotes blood circulation, leaving your skin soft and supple. Sandalwood is another ingredient that removes the effects of suntan. It also reduces puffiness of tired skin. Manjishta has been mentioned in Ayurveda as an eraser of scars and rashes. Aloe vera cools and soothes the skin. Neroli water is used for its antimicrobial properties, which help to reduce and fade scars. Next, I mix everything thoroughly. Water is adjusted and gentle mixing continues. Now I don't want the face pack to cause dryness, so I want to balance it with deep conditioning oils like rosehip and grapeseed oil, which are loaded with skin nourishing vitamins C and E and essential fatty acids. I also add an additional boost of vitamin E and vegetarian glycerine. Lemon oil improves the skin tone by conditioning and it also brightens the dull skin. In the end, I add a natural agent instead of chemical preservatives to keep everything fresh for a long time. A final whisk, whisk, whisk until smooth, and finally it is done. These wonderful ingredients are now ready to be packed and shipped. I'm packing 50 grams per jar. Don't they look absolutely amazing? The only thing remains to be done is put a label on it and ship them to you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to stay up to date with all of our creations. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.